On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2018 Keystone Springdale 235RB. Before we go inside, look at this outdoor entertainment center. There's a large TV, slide-out serving table, and refrigerator so you can keep refreshments handy while enjoying the outdoors. Step in and relax on the booth dinette slide while the chef keeps everyone fed with full kitchen amenities and a generous amount of room. This travel trailer is built for the long haul. A U-shaped dinette provides ample seating for mealtime or just hanging out. You can also quickly transform the dinette into added sleeping space if needed at night. The kitchen area has a large sink with an angled countertop for added space. And with the sink cover in place, you'll have plenty of prep room. There is also a microwave with vent hood above the 3-burner range, next to the refrigerator for your cooking and food storage needs. Past the TV and storage cabinets, the front private bedroom sits to your right behind the sliding door. There are dual closets for your clothing, plus a large overhead cabinet too. Here you can rest easy on the queen bed provided and get a great night's sleep. Moving to the rear of the trailer, just past the kitchen pantry on the right, the rear bath is spacious. There's a vanity with sink, foot flush toilet, and an angled shower with skylight and sliding frosted glass doors. This travel trailer is built for the long haul, and you will truly love the conveniences it brings as you travel. Come see this, and hundreds of other pre-owned recreational vehicles. Come check them out at RV Depot.